Hey, what's up guys? Rob here, back with another disc dye video. I've been getting a lot of requests asking how the heck did I do that, and looking for a tutorial. This is on a Castoplast Gold, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Something like this style right now. I'll show you how I did it. So I'm starting with this bed. This is a second generation bed. It's been sitting in my cold garage in the winter for, I don't know, about an hour, and it's coming in at 48 degrees, so pretty cold. I like to have a cold bed for this so that the cells don't grow too quickly. This is all Floetrol, no oil, and for my pullover color I'm going to use white here, and the white Floetrol also does not have any oil in it. Okay, so we're going to do the standard pullover with plastic wrap. Refill the well a little bit here. I might see if I can add some down here as well. There we go. Round two. Okay, that's really close. Just going to try something new that I haven't really tried before. See how this goes. We'll drag from the middle right there with our third pull. See if I can get good coverage over the rest of the bed at least, or better. Not exactly, but it'll do. Maybe I need one more swipe actually. We'll try one more. And we'll go from right about there. It doesn't have to be uniform. I just want more white coverage generally over the whole thing. It might even look cooler if it's a little messy. Okay, so now I've got a dish with 3-in-1 silicone as usual. I've got my same metal poker and the dish there, and all you do for this is I'm going to start in the middle, approximate the middle, and we're going to make a line. Just like that. Now I'm going to wipe off my poker, and we're going to do another one. Just like that. I'm wiping off my poker between each one, because when you drag, you get a lot more Floetrol on your pin than usual. There. Like this. And because the bed is cold, it doesn't bloom very quickly. It's going to bloom once we get it under heat. And I screwed that line up but that's okay. I got that one a little close. So, drag it. And then that should go up there. That's fine. And so we're just making L's. The nice thing about having a bed cold like this is you can lay down your pattern, and then when you apply heat, that's when all the blooming is going to happen. Oh, that one was deep. Whoops. Just gonna extend off those two. Okay. All right, that's almost done. We'll just finish off these ones. Okay, so that's the pattern. We'll throw that under the heat lamp, and you'll see what happens here. So this bed's a little slow to heat up, and there are places where the oil wasn't coming through, so I just go in with the pin while it's under the heat lamp and add a little more oil, drag a little more with the oil pin. All right, so there's the result. Looking pretty good. I spaced these ones a little tighter than the ones on the previous disc. I think I like the result from the previous one a little better. But this is still pretty cool, and that's how you do the technique, is you just drag your pin through the Floetrol rather than just poking it. You do a little drag. You're gonna need to dip more often and clean your poker, but that's totally cool. So, I'm gonna put this Clash Discs Vanilla in there. I don't know how centered this is. This is actually a little off center, I think. So what I'm gonna do is just lean the bed a little bit when I put the disc in, and I'm gonna use my laser pointer to make sure the center of the disc is in the center of that cross there. So I'm just putting a little bit of paper towel under one side of the dish to just tilt it a little. That might have been too much. I think it's leaning the other way now. So you just got to find that nice sweet spot in the middle. Turning on the laser. We'll zoom out here. The laser is slightly offset from the camera, so there we go. Oh, wait a minute, that's not correct. That is where I want it. All right. And even that is still a little off center. I couldn't get it right where I wanted it. just because the tray is not very wide. It's not much wider than a disc, but that's good enough. I'm sure it'll turn out fine. You guys will get to see the results right now. Okay, here's the result. Pretty nice. Stamp was a little fragile, so I ended up ghosting it after, but yeah, looks great. And the black spin, I always love that. So that's how you do this technique. Hope that was helpful for you guys. If you liked the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button to see more of this type of stuff. Until next time, happy dyeing. See y'all later. Take it easy.